Hello, hello. I'm Pam, and I'm going to show you something that's I've been having a fun time in Canva doing. You ready? You ready to see what magic we can do in Canva? All right, turn this picture right here into a coloring page. You ready? We're going to go up to Edit, and you're going to go down to Style Match. And you're going to click All, and these are all of the different style matches you can do. But I'm going to go down here to line art, and it's going to take that and hopefully it will make, oh, look at that. Fun, huh? Now, let's see here. I actually want to, there we go. Let's take a picture here. We're going to go edit. We're going to go there. I want to make this into a cartoon. Let's see what it does. This will be funny. See what it does. I mean, totally mad about that. That's not that bad. Now let's try something else. We're going to go edit. Oh, wait. We're going to go back. We don't need to be in all this. We're going to go edit. Edit. There we go. Style match. All right. Let's see what we can do here. Let's do pop art. I don't know what it'll do since it's already cartoons. So let's see what it does. I mean, it made it different. Made it very different. Edit. Style match. Let's see here. A teen line art sketch. Let's do 3D. Let's see if it will make a 3D. We will see. This style match is fun, you guys. You should see what you can do with yours. Really? Love this. One more, and then I am going to get out of here. This one I want to do doodle. Let's see what it does. And the only reason why I picked this one because it had a lot going on. I just want to see what it does. Ah, love it. Look at that. That is cute. That is cute. You guys go have fun. And then put in below, I would love to see your creations. All right. Follow, like, and hopefully share. Pam Ellen Online.